3D printing has been revolutionizing every industry in the world, from biotech to aerospace. Everything is 3D printed now. 3D printing is the future of dentistry. And this is not your granddad's practice anymore. At Bonita del Rey Dental Care, we service the whole area of San Diego. And we focus on providing our community with full mouth implant restorations. We provide a medical service to our community, and it is our responsibility to do it in the best and most efficient way that we can. The Envision One machine has provided us the ability to be able to make all processes faster, better, and way more efficient for our patients.
The Envision One came to change completely dentistry as far as having something permanent in your mouth, going from a conventional denture with regular acrylic to the new Envision Tech materials gives us more stability and strength, and now its aesthetic looks more natural.
The best resins in the market for dental are from Envision Tech. Two or 3 years ago, we started with another brand of printing machine, but it really had a lot of limitations. That's when we made the decision of changing and getting the Envision One, which drastically changed our game, because now something that took us 3 or 4 hours to print will take the Envision One 20 minutes or 30 minutes to do the same thing. It's the fastest there is, and it has one of the biggest build plates that we have. One of the other great things is the accuracy. This machine actually can print something that will fit perfectly, and it will do it every single time.
Our relationship with the gums and our support with the lips is very accurate. It gives us what we're looking for as far as aesthetics, functions. And the patients are pretty happy as well, because they don't have to deal with the pain of the regular denture.
The basic workflow for creating a full arch is patient comes in the morning and goes in for surgery. By the time you're done with the surgery, you start taking your scans. So now it's time to make teeth. That's where the fun starts. You have your technician, or you design your smile, whatever you want to design, and then you send to print, just like you send to print your papers on computers. It takes 30 minutes. Comes out of the printer. You need to do like a 10-minute post-processing afterwards, and then you can make it pretty depending on how much you want to do it. By the time you finish your surgery, you can have an hour and a half later a full set of custom teeth to be inserted on a patient's mouth. You call it a day, and patients walk out of here with a brand new 3D printed smile in their mouth.
I feel like my real teeth. How can I not smile with these teeth? People say I look younger.
So, it's something that you will have working for you day in, day out. If you want models, you can print models. If you want arches, you can print arches. Pretty much whatever you want, you can print with this. And we have the resins to do it.
We've been doing dentistry for many years. Our patients cry with us, they laugh with us, they hug us because they can't believe how amazing the Envision Tech technology nowadays has been.
The future is now. This is here, this is present. So we are already using this technology in our industry.
The way things are nowadays, where people want things fast and accurate and good, I think Envision Tech delivers this,
Sounds kind of simple, and I guess it is. When you have the right technology, it is very simple.